Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into your Hulu account on your computer. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser. In the URL box at the top, type in www.hulu.com and press enter on a keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official web page of Hulu, which looks like this. Go to the top right hand corner and click the login link in order to end up in the login area. Enter your email address and your password that you registered with Hulu.com while signing up for the account. Start off by typing in your email and on the next field, type in your password correct. In case you've forgotten your email or your password, click on Forgot Your Email or Password link and follow the on-screen prompts to reset to a new password or to look for your email address. If you don't have an account yet, you can start up with a free trial by clicking on this link that says Start Your Free Trial. Finally, after typing in all of the credentials correct, click the login button and you'll be able to log into your Hulu account right away from your computer. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.